In this video, I will show you how to send Solana from Phantom Wallet to Bullx. To get started, go ahead and open your Bullx account. If your account on Bullx is new, you'll be able to find your wallet address once you get redirected into their website. So just go ahead and copy that address. But if you're already old on the app, what you can do is to head over to Wallet Manager. So hit on Wallet Manager, and in here, go ahead and create a new wallet. Once this wallet has been created, you can go ahead and download your private key. After you download your private key, go ahead and head over to Phantom Wallet. On Phantom Wallet, what you can do is to go ahead and hit on the send button on your homepage. Once you hit on that, you'll be able to select the token, click on Solana, and here go ahead and paste your wallet address. And after that, you can go ahead and set the amount of Solana that you want to send to your Bullx account. And that is how you can simply send Solana from Phantom Wallet to Bullx. If you don't have a Bullx account yet and you want to try it out, you can simply hit on the invite link at the description box to cut off the waiting list and log in immediately using your device.